going to go do the brioche knit stitch. We're doing it in the round, so one round is going to have the brioche knit stitch and then the next round will have the brioche purl. If you ever get confused, you can actually just look at which one has the single stitch and which one has the double stitch. In this case, for a brioche knit round, the knit row here, so you can see this is the knit stitches, will have the yarn over on top of it, and the one that looks like the purl is going to have just a single stitch. So to work it, when we're doing the purl stitch, bring the yarn in front, slip the stitch, and that's going to create our slip one yarn over. Then we're going to do a brioche knit or a bark by knitting this stitch with the yarn over together. So you knit that together, and then you just repeat those two steps all the way around. So we're going to come to the next one. It's a single stitch, our purl one, slip it, bring the yarn over, and go to brioche knit these two. And you just continue that. Bring the yarn in front, slip the stitch, brioche knit, bring the yarn in front, slip the stitch, brioche knit. And you just continue that all the way around until you get the start of the next round.